What is good with the YouTube? It is your boy, Sean Rock to the represent Mandatory Thrive, because every day it is mandatory for us to thrive. And I am back again with another video. Before I start this video, I want to ask y'all to head over to Amazon.com, purchase my first published book, Give Nothing Less Than 300 from the Basement, Mind, Body, and Soul. Great read, great book. 300% mentality, not 100%, 300% mind, body, and soul. We want to be holistically dominant creatures. What kind of energy do you have? Do you have magnetic energy, right? Or do you have momentary energy? Do you have magnetic energy, or do you have messy energy? Is your energy an energy that attracts positivity, creativity, innovation, liberal thinking, ideas, love, compassion, empathy, health, wealth, success, joy, peace, prosperity, greatness, healing, long suffering, monumental things? Or is your energy messy, where the glass is half full? I mean, the glass is not full, right? Or the glass is half empty. Is your energy rain and gloom, darkness, pain, negativity, hatred, envy, jealousy, gossip, right? Is your energy an energy that you will want someone to project on you? Is your energy an energy that you will want to be surged in, to be submerged in? Is your energy the type of energy that duplicates surplus or multiplies scarcity? Is your energy an energy that sees sunshine as beautiful, snow as beautiful, rain as beautiful, thunder as beautiful, all seasons, all things as objective and forward thinking, versus sad, down, or messy, or not good enough, or unfortunate, or I can't do this, I can't do that, or this is going to fail and that's going to fail, or why are you trying to do this, or I can't do this, or I'm going to always be this way? You have to have magnetic energy, not messy energy. Energy that transcends circumstances, because a magnetic energy is not defined by a circumstance. You can have a man living in a box versus a man living in a mansion. If the man